Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Temple Wallet mobile application. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open your Temple Wallet application from your app drawer. Once you end up in this page, you will be asked for your password. To log into your Temple Wallet, you will need to enter your password that you used while signing up for the wallet. Type in your correct password in the text box and tap on Unlock. Once your password is correct, you will end up in the main homepage for Temple Wallet, which means you've been successfully logged in. So that's how easily you can log into your Temple Wallet mobile application within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.